Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is featured in our deep gray metallic paint. We have our black alloy rims as well as our Z71 trim package, our black front grille, blacked out Chevrolet bow ties, red front tow hooks, and black leather interior with our V8 engine and four-wheel drive. Now moving on to the interior of the Silverado, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's side features. Starting off with our door panel, we have our padded black leather, dark gray trim, chrome door handle and lock and unlock buttons. Down below we have our wooden trim, close handle, rear and front window controls, rear window lock and power mirror adjustment with joystick, Bose speaker down below, as well as storage in the lower portion of the door panel. And on the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and power lumbar support adjustment. Moving off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive system, our fog lights, truck bed lighting, interior lighting dimmer switch, as well as our daytime running lights, and our electronic park brake. Our gauge cluster with screen in the middle can adjust what is displayed on that screen with the buttons and scroll wheel on the right side of the steering wheel. We also have our voice commands and phone hang-up, blacked out Chevrolet bow tie in the middle, and off to the left we have our cruise control and our heated steering wheel option. The steering wheel is wrapped in black leather with black stitching on the underside. Our infotainment screen displays our audio phone as well as Wi-Fi hotspot and the users for the vehicle. It also comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then we have our climate adjustments that we can control from the infotainment screen, and our rear view camera with adaptive guidelines, tow assist, and hitch view. Below that we have our radio controls, home button and back, as well as our dual zone climate controls, direction of airflow adjustment and fan speed. Then we have our two heated seat options for driver and passenger, park assist, automatic start stop, as well as our power tailgate release, hazards, traction control, power outlet on and off, as well as our hill descent assist. Then we have our 12-volt charging port, as well as our USB, USB-C, and our trailer brake, storage, our two cup holders, as well as our padded leather center console lid with our phone holder. Plenty of storage on the inside, as well as an SD card slot, USB, USB-C, and auxiliary input. The front seats in the Silverado are featured in black patent leather. We also have our dark gray stitching and black stitching throughout the seats. Above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, rear sliding window controls, sunroof and moonroof controls, and 3 garage door openers, and a sunroof and moonroof overhead. Moving back onto the exterior of the Silverado, take a closer look at our Z71 badging on the vehicle, and our black alloy rims with Chevrolet bow tie center caps, running boards with Silverado embossed into the top portion. We also have our blacked out mirror caps and blacked out door handles with our chrome lock and unlock button on the driver's side, rear privacy tint. Round to the back we'll see our Trail Boss badging, our black painted bumper, dual exhaust, Silverado and LT badging, as well as Chevrolet recessed into the tailgate. And we have a full line truck bed with Chevrolet bow tie at the front. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Silverado, we'll take a look at our rear passenger door card, which also features our padded black leather, chrome door handle, window switch, close handle, padded armrest, wood trim, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seats, we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area, we have two cup holders, our vents, USB, USB-C, and 12-volt charging port. The rear seats are also featured in our black patent leather, with the addition of our rear fold-out seats, which offer storage behind without compromising comfort. Then we have our middle fold-out seat, which features two cup holders, small storage, and a padded armrest. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.